I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by cleaning the lens thoroughly so sanding works on plastic, not grime. Once done, mask the car paint with tape to avoid scratches and expose only the headlight. You will sand wet using 400 grit at a shallow angle. The goal is to remove the top oxidized layer quickly. Make consistent overlapping passes and keep the paper and lens wet. If you see deep pits, switch to 320 briefly, then return to 400 so you don't overcut the plastic. Once the rough haze is gone, progress to 800 grit then 1500 grit, keeping the lens wet and using light, even pressure. You want the scratches to become finer and more uniform, so wipe and inspect between grits to ensure consistent coverage. After the final wet sand, dry the lens and apply a quality plastic polishing compound with a foam or microfiber pad. You should polish until clarity returns. This removes the micro scratches created by sanding and starts restoring transparency. You finish by sealing the restored surface to prevent rapid reoxidation. Spray or brush on a UV-resistant clear coat in 2 thin, even layers. Make sure to follow drying times and apply in a dust-free area. Let the sealant cure for 24 hours before washing or exposure to rain. If you notice haze or peeling later, repolish the lens and apply another coat. Also inspect for hairline cracks that sanding won't fix, because cracked plastic requires replacement rather than restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.